Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to finish the chapter Chemical Processes and Substances. This is part 2 of Chemical Processes and Substances. Chemical equation. A reaction between different substances is chemical equation. Here reactants. Reactants are the substances which react with each other. Okay, and when these reactants react, then some new substance is formed, and that is called a product. For example, carbon here and here oxygen. So carbon and oxygen, its product is CO2, that is carbon dioxide. So balancing equations, why we need to balance the equation? Here hydrogen is 2 and oxygen is 2 in the LHS, okay, and in the RHS H2O. Hydrogen is 2 but oxygen is not 2. But why? Here is in the LHS the oxygen is 2, so here also it need to be 2. So that's why we balance the equations to balance the equation. Okay, so H2, hydrogen 2, oxygen 2. Here we have multiplied 2 with the whole element. We have not to directly multiply the number which we need with the atom. We have to multiply it with whole element. So here it is done. So 2 is multiplied with the whole H2O, and here now oxygen is 2. But what about hydrogen? Hydrogen is now 4. So here also we need to balance on the LHS. So here we have also multiplied 2 with hydrogen and it is 4. So finally our equation is balanced. So this is one more example of balancing equation, and the last one, NaCl2. So here Na means sodium is 1, here also 1, and here chlorine is 2, here also 2, here not 2 but here is 1, so we need to balance it. We have to multiply it with 2. So now Na is, here Na all becomes 2 but here is 1, so we need to balance in LHS. So we have to multiply sodium with 2. So now our equation is balanced. We have used 2 2's, okay? So this is how we balance the equation. Now types of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions are of 4 kinds: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and neutralization reaction. So let's understand them step by step. First, combination reaction. This is very simple reaction, a chemical reaction in which 2 or more substances combine to form a new substance. So here 2 or more substances are combined and new substances form. So here hydrogen and oxygen forms 2H2O. So this is a combination reaction. Decomposition reaction, a chemical reaction in which more than one product is obtained from a single reactant is called a decomposition reaction. Here the reactant is only one but the product is 2. So how it is happened? By the electric current or the heat. So here CaO is quicklime and CO2 is carbon dioxide, we already know, and CaCO3 is limestone. So limestone and quicklime we need to memorize. So let's move forward. Displacement reaction, a chemical reaction in which one element displaces another compound is called displacement reaction. So here Fe, iron, and CuSO4 copper sulfate solution, both are reacted, but here what happened, this Fe iron has displaced the Cu because Fe is stronger than Cu, so it has displaced it. So the in the RHS, the equation is like this: FeSO4 iron sulfate solution plus Cu means the copper. So this is displacement reaction. So neutralization reaction, a chemical reaction between acid and a base, is called a neutralization reaction. So here acid and base are reactants, and what is the product? The product is salt and water. So this is very important. Acid and base are the reactants and salt and water are products. So here NaOH and HCl are combined, mean the reactants are combined, acid and the base is combined, and NaCl plus H2O is formed. So this is a neutralization reaction. So let's move forward. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the chapter of chemical substances and processes.